These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn Suites in Tampa, Florida. Across the street from Busch Gardens, that is. It's got a G. Here's your inspection certificate. As you see, it is the Busch Gardens location. Here's your cab view. The Hampton Inn label is kind of faded, but it says awesome sauce. Here's your cab view. So I had called the our elevator, and for some reason it wouldn't take my call. So I went up to 3 where it was parked, and apparently nothing is out of the ordinary. But I just found it weird that it wouldn't accept my call. It directed it to the other one. So we're going to ground.
Ground.
This one talks as well, and also ground rear is locked. We're gonna go 4. Also, there's a rear door open and door close button over here, but it doesn't work. I mean, it probably works, but it's locked. Here we are at 4. We're gonna go down to ground.
Going down.
Again, just to show you, ground rear, it doesn't even light up. It just, push it, nothing happens. You have to swipe a card. Here's your inspection certificate. The Hampton label says selfie. And here's your cab view. Oh, we're stopping. Let's try this one more time. Here we are at 4. Let's go down to ground. Interestingly enough, when both of the elevators were on the ground floor, it directed me to this one this time.
Ground.
Which is weird because I couldn't get this one earlier.